everyone! Today we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful plant called the crocus. And when I saw this plant, I fell in love with it because it was just so attractive and it brought me right to this plant. And I started wondering so many things about it because I couldn't even see its stem. But after I did some research, I realized that this plant doesn't even need a lot of care. And if you just plant it, it turns out fine. And only 2 to 4 inches of this plant even shows up, and that's the flower, because the stem is all underground with the roots, and there's only a slight patch of grass right on it. And unfortunately, this plant would need full sun, so if you're in a place that has a lot of sun, you're in luck. This plant can also be grown in some partial sun, but yeah. And when you're watering this plant, you have to make sure that the extra water can get drained through all the soil. When you look at this plant, you might assume that it only comes in this color, but no, there's another variety of colors for this plant, which are blue, orange, purple, pink, white, or yellow. And there's probably more, but these were just some of the colors that I could find online. But another amazing thing about these plants is that they're perennial. So they start blooming around late winter, around like the end of February, and they keep growing until the end of spring. And some flowers may have very strong perfumes that can attract bees to suck pollen from them. One day you might see these plants with so low energy and they would be just like dreading their life at this point. But the next day you would see how bright and happy they are. And like if there's a lot of sun coming in at them, they like bloom and they're so happy. But when there's low sun and there's just a bunch of shade, they go down, they start sleeping, and they're kind of just sad. And this is kind of like the 11 o'clock lady. And if you guys haven't seen that video on my channel, make sure to go check that out. But unfortunately, all good things must come to an end, and its predators such as squirrels, mice, and chipmunks may come and eat these beautiful flowers. But I hope you guys learned something new in this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!